Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 24th February 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 4, number 16, number 25, number 34, number 43, booster number 10. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number. First number 9, number 18, number 20, number 38, number 46, booster number 47. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment.